Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV toilet brushes on Amazon. RV toilet brushes help maintain cleanliness and hygiene in the compact bathroom spaces of your recreational vehicle. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Celimer RV Toilet Brush and Holder. The best versatile option on our list would be Celimer's RV Toilet Brush and Holder. I have found several instances where this product has become a multi-purpose item for those who have bought it. For instance, this product's silicone bristles have proven effective when cleaning washbasins, sinks, and bathtubs. This multi-purpose ability makes the brush a more practical option than most traditional plastic models. These silicone bristles make the entire cleaning process take less effort as well. It's an ability that comes from it offering more substantial friction. In other words, I didn't have to pull my shoulder out when trying to clean those difficult stains. The holder's drip slot is another feature that buyers should find appealing. After all, this addition will allow for better drainage to prevent any leaks from its bottom. Number 2. Ndessen Freestanding RV Toilet Bowl Brush. If you're looking for an option with peak storability, Ndessen's Freestanding RV Toilet Bowl Brush and Holder would be a solid choice. It comes with a holder to provide users with a discreet way of storing this toilet brush. You can easily tuck this brush and holder behind your rig's toilet without issue. It's an easy way to ensure you don't need to see your RV toilet brush until it's needed. Plus, this holder will keep your brush from leaking onto the bathroom floor. As for its performance quality, I found this product had no problems meeting my expectations. Its durable plastic design felt capable of dealing with any physical stress. It's a sturdy and reliable toilet brush that's more than ready for being effective in an RV setting. It offers a comfortable grip with a round disc that'll keep your hands from getting splashed. Number 3. Boomjoy RV Toilet Brush and Holder. The Boomjoy's RV Toilet Brush and Holder has proven to excel past its competition in many different areas. It has various features capable of making a rig owner's bathroom cleaning more effortless. The product's stainless steel pole would be an excellent starting point, as this aspect adds increased stability. It ensures the brush has a sturdy feel rather than flopping everywhere and causing splashes. This brush's silicone bristles can make sure the tool doesn't deform or become unusable. It's an essential aspect that ensures you can get the same cleaning results each time. Due to this, you'll never finish a cleaning session and be dissatisfied with this product's performance. You will also love this product's low-profile design, which makes hiding it a breeze. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Hideaway RV Toilet Brush. This RV toilet brush is one of my favorite options because it offers an extraordinarily comfortable handle. It makes the brush more convenient than similar options available. But the comfortable grip isn't its only notable feature. I was also impressed with this product's tapered-shaped brush head. This aspect allowed for a much deeper cleaning than I initially expected. The bristles themselves seemed more than durable enough to last many usages as well. RV owners will love this product's included canister, too, which makes your life so much more manageable. It provides a compact and neat storage area for the brush to ensure optimal storability. As a result, it shouldn't have any issues fitting into a small space like an RV bathroom. The canister's built-in drip tray is another attractive feature offered by this excellent product. Number 5. Toiletry Products Deluxe RV Toilet Brush. This RV toilet brush with lid stands out among these other products for a simple reason: its stainless steel construction. It provides a lighter and more comfortable user experience for whoever's lucky enough to buy this product. Its lightweight design isn't the only high-quality feature offered by this stainless steel brush. I was also thrilled by its various buying options. Bulk buyers will find this choice intriguing because you can buy more than one in a package set. The hands-free operation of its holder was another winning feature. It's a simple way to avoid making the user touch the brush head when putting the brush back in the holder. You can instead rely on the holder to close whenever you place it back inside. You also have to admit this stainless steel design gives the brush and holder a little style. I can't imagine anyone thinking it was a blemish within their rig's bathroom. It might even offer a bit more character to the room. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.